Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today is the moment that a lot of you and myself have been waiting for, to start work on the Clubman estate. Yes, let's get into it.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Right, so those of you who do not know, this is my 1977 Clubman estate. I've owned it for quite a lot of years and it's been off the road for at least 10. It needs a lot of work. So today I'm going to get inside, I'm going to clear all the junk out. Well, junk, say junk. I'm going to clean all the stuff out, I'm going to hoover it all out and hopefully there won't be too many hidden nasties that I didn't know about. Ready for starting work on the restoration. There'll be no work taking place today, but I'm just hopefully going to get myself a bit more of a definitive list of things that need to be done, need to be ordered, and need to be sourced really. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. Right, there's a lot of stuff out the car. Let's take a closer look. So, the back end is actually pretty solid. When I lift up the panel, I'm really happy with that. There's a bit of rust down the bottom, down there, which I probably can just chop out and replace it with fresh metal. There's no lights in this, so it might get dark. You can see floor's gone in that corner and the rest of the floor's pretty solid. It's had a big plate there and it's gone right at the corner, and the damage is more so towards the front. So fitch panel, inner wing, outer wing, floor panel, same over there. So I've already got the half floor for the passenger side, and I've got door steps, etc. and stuff. So I think I've got the majority of the stuff to crack on with one side of the build. I want to roll the car onto its side to give myself some more room to be able to cut the floor out, weld the new floor in. I'm gonna get in here with the hoover and get rid of all that crap. So that's the next job. Hoover. Yeah, that's not good. Come take a look. Right. So the floor actually cleaned up pretty well. It's a shame really because this was solid. Inner seal is gone. So there's a big patch here which has gone up onto the heel board. Now I have bought a Heritage heel board, so that's going to get replaced. This rear quarter panel, you can see down in the wheel arch, that's a bit worse for wear, so that's going to get some attention. Overall, this is all it's really solid. I'm really impressed with how solid it is. There's a hole down in the, I don't know if you can see that at all. You see that there? Yeah, there's a hole in sort of the back of this panel going into the wheel arch, so I could probably cut a section of this out and make like a right angle to go around and to seal it. But again, when I take it all apart, I'll be able to have a better look. This floor's fine-ish. This side of the floor doesn't look too bad really. Even the inner sill seems to have sort of survived pretty well. The back of the floor, knackered. So that's obviously got to get rectified. The cross member from here is absolutely solid, and I was quite surprised by that and thought, oh, I might be able to get away with just keeping this until I look at the other side. Let's start with the better of the two sides. So, yeah, looking down here, the lip on this board is all rotted, and it's actually started rotting up the cross member. That's going to have to get replaced. You can buy half sections, but I'm not sure just yet. The inner seal gone. There's a plate of metal that I've obviously welded in at some point, but there's a hole there, a hole there, there's a few other holes, and it's, yeah, just knackered. The door step is going to get replaced. The actual door is held on by the check strap. I'm not sure what else. It's not the strongest. Fitch panel gone, and there's a big patch of weld across the bottom of the inner wing and goes into the toe board, kind of comes up towards my finger. I need to obviously check that, and possibly may have to change the lower section of that toe board. Now moving over here, this is yeah, not good at all. So inner seal, outer seal, floor, inner wing, the support panel that goes down the side, it's all gone. Yeah, I'm really shocked how much that floor just went away when I hoovered it. But this door's fine. Opens and closes on the hinges are great. So every cloud. So yeah, it's kind of, I'm going to be changing the inner wings because I'm going to go from a clubman to a round nose. I'm pretty set on that, unless obviously the right panels come available. I do keep getting offered stuff for clubmans, but it's just so expensive. So yeah, the inner seals are probably going to get changed for, well, are going to get changed for the clubman ones, and if not, these have to get sorted anyway. So sorry, round nose, otherwise they have to get sorted anyway. There's a panel that goes down this section here and sort of kicks into like a support panel. That needs to get sourced and welded in. I think I've got to do that panel first, then the door step, because the door step sort of butts up to that, and I'm pretty sure that slots into this lower dash rail. The inner wing can get sort of sorted up to that panel as well. Then the inner seal, outer seal. Luckily the panel I've got is a half floor including inner and outer seal, so it should hopefully line up pretty easily. And then also down here again, all from like here all the way along to the end, that cross member is rotten. So it's probably has to be a new cross member, which is such a shame because it's such good condition really. So yeah, a bit gutted about that. While we're here, so we're gonna have a look up. The roof is in phenomenal condition for the age of the car on the inside. The outside is obviously a different story. And this is the original colour of the car. I believe it to be pageant blue. So I quite like that colour. I could be swayed to go back towards the original colour of the car. Yeah, that ain't opening. Right, I'm going to just finish up doing some hoovering of all this crap here. There's a lot of mouse and rat droppings, so I want that all gone before I start working on it, really. And I'm also going to have to try and brace side to side across, because this is just going to fold in half as soon as I try and cut the panels out. But hey ho, these things happen. We'll plod on. Right, I'm going to tidy up all this stuff and put the tyres over the back with the rest, and then I can call this job done. Right, the inside is now cleaned, hoovered out, and the majority of the stuff out here is also tidied away. I'm going to leave this episode here. Hopefully, coming soon, I'll be able to get the stuff off the roof, pop the glass, brace the inside, get it onto its side. If I can get it onto its side, it obviously takes up far less room in the garage, because I'm a bit of a hoarder. I've got too much stuff as it is, so it's not good. Anyway, I'm going to leave this episode here. Hopefully you've enjoyed this, and hopefully you'll be continuing to follow me on this journey to get this club and estate back on the road. As always, if you have enjoyed the content, thumbs up button down below. If you can comment as well, and if you haven't already and you do wish to continue watching this channel, then please consider becoming a subscriber and ding that bell so that you get notified every time I upload. That's it from me. I'll see you guys next time.